super bright. All right, everyone, it is time to unbox the Quad Buugeng. It is probably the first UV set from this company, and it's also the same company that Manuel has his Buugeng from, and they also have the exact same size and weight as the LED Buugengs from Light Toys. All right, let's do this. We're just gonna open. Put the mic a little bit more here. Ever since Manuel has been on the stream, I can't get it out of my head, the Quad Buugeng. And I've noticed that I really like Buugeng as a prop as well. It forces me to calm down and to just like watch my movements more, you know? Really zens me out. Did you try his when he was on? No, I have never tried Quad Buugeng before. I've only watched a few videos today. I've only watched a few videos on Instagram, like what do people do with Quad Buugeng. But I've been watching Manuel's videos mostly. And yeah, it looks amazing. This is the company, everyone. It's called RD Buugeng. Oh man, it comes in a beautiful bag as well. That's very nice. Nice button also. Yeah, I can do my nails. I can do my nails again. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, they are so bright. Oh, this is beautiful. Well, first pair of Buugeng. Yeah, the UV is not on right now, okay? The UV is not on yet. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between regular and UV. And this is, a nice handle as well. Oh my god. This feels so different than the other ones. Oh my goodness. Very beautiful. Okay. Okay. Let's open up the other box for the second color. They glow in the normal light already. Yeah, definitely. Dun 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 ta-da-da! But wait, what is this? There is more in this box than just a Buugeng. What is this? Did we get a half-geng with our Quad Buugeng in the color green? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Oh my god, guys. I have to say, I'm incredibly grateful for... You said no more props. Yeah, I knew this was coming, but I wanted to keep it as a surprise for you guys. Because we made a little arrangement to give myself these. But yeah, we got an extra prop, everyone. We got some half-geng up in here. Half-geng is a very new prop. It does not exist for a very long time. So I'm very curious to see what we can do with this. It has the same type of grip as a spin fan, like the Russian grip. So I can do spin fan moves with it. We're gonna test these out later as well, and they are also UV reactive, and they are green. Now let's see about the other pair of Buugeng. My goodness, I really like that they also gave a bag with it. That's dope. Because I do believe I will be performing with these at different places as well, you know. Ooh, pretty blue. Oh man, this is a really beautiful color as well. Right? Right? Oh my god. This is so awesome. I am so happy that I finally have Buugeng back in my life. Blue double bananas. Yeah. All right, how about we spin these Buugeng? Shall we spin the Buugeng? All right, let's turn on the UV light. Whoa! They're super bright! Woo! Damn, son. So when it comes to quad Buugeng, you basically have like, you know, double. They are a different shape than the Buugeng that I spun with before. The Buugeng that I spun with before was a little bit less like rounded. So I noticed that I'm hitting myself in the face now, but that's okay. It's gonna require some practice. Like this is going to be my morning prop, you know? I wake up and then this is what I do. I have a calibrated monitor. It's between orange and pink. Yeah, that's what I see in real life as well, that it's exactly in the middle. It's very bright. I really like it. I like the curve as well. It's gonna be getting something to get used to, but it looks really nice at least. Let's see what this looks like in the kaleidoscope, shall we? Now I just gotta learn proper quad buugeng, you know? Oh man, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be so much fun. For those that don't know what this is, we also got a pair of half-geng, which look freaking insane in the UV light, by the way. The green lights up super well. So let's spin with these a little bit as well. Looks like a weapon. It does. Yeah, RD Buugeng, my community really likes flow arts and is trying to convert anyone that comes in to also start streaming. And for anyone that's listening, if you want to start streaming on Twitch, I will help you for free because I would love to see more flow arts on Twitch myself. And yeah, so anyone who needs any help, I am here. Is there a difference in brightness between them for you? When it comes to like the blue and the orange, red, pink one, I mean it's both different colors, you know? So the blue is a little bit more, it's not as bright as this color, but it's still super bright, you know? It's just because it's blue that it's different. I feel like these ones, yeah, same as, yeah, it looks the same on the camera, at least for me on my monitor. The orange is a little bit brighter, yes. I feel like the orange, pink orange, and the green are both in the same kind of brightness category. The green might even be brighter. But when you do different colors in UV, I also have it with my own UV paint that I put on my face. Orange and green works the best It's the brightest out of all the colors. And yeah. We were unboxing all of these. Thank you so much for joining in on this unboxing stream with me. And let's see what we can do in after a few trainings, you know?